Javier here from South Dade Toyota. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the multi-point inspection that we do as a courtesy on all the vehicles that come in. It's basically a health report, and it checks everything from all your lights, brakes, tires, battery, filters, and looks for any leaks. And this basically covers any hidden things you don't know about. A lot of people are always afraid to do this because they're afraid what they're going to find, but this is very important to do because you never know what you actually got going on in the car. So here we got, it's basically color coded, make it very simple. You got green, means go, it's fine, don't worry about it. You got yellow, tells you, start thinking about doing this in the future. And then you got the red that tells you that item should be taken care of right away. So it's very basic. We have the tires over here in this section. It tells you the measurement as well as the color. Remember, green is fine. Yellow, start thinking about putting tires on there, and then red should have the tires taken care of as soon as possible. And then we look at the pressures as well. Brakes over here, you got the measurement of when they need to be replaced. Green is fine, yellow is coming up, red has to be replaced. So very basic, very simple. Again, this is a health report. We do it as a courtesy on every vehicle that comes in. Very important, and it's absolutely no charge to have that done.